Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have admin or operator access on the Swift VDI. This is essential because deactivation requires privilege. Once done, log into the Swift Management Console with your credentials and navigate to the host list. Make sure you note the VDI host IP and the active session ID. Those identify the alarm source. If two-factor prompts interfere, pause them or notify the operator so you can proceed without unexpected blocks. Once you are in the console, go straight to Monitoring then Alarms and filter by the host IP or session ID you noted so you see only relevant events. Select the specific alarm entry and read the details: timestamp, severity, and which rule fired. This explains why the alarm triggered. Then inspect the related logs and any recent configuration changes, because fixing root cause is better than silencing alerts. So make sure you understand the how and why. You now deactivate the alarm by choosing Deactivate or, if needed, Acknowledge. Use Deactivate when it is a confirmed false positive. Enter a concise comment that explains the reason and references the session ID for the audit trail. This is why accountability matters. After deactivation, immediately remediate the underlying condition if present, then monitor the VDI for about 10 to 15 minutes to confirm the alarm does not re-trigger. If it does, escalate to escalation path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.